Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and you are preparing pretty well for your upcoming DBT JRF examination, which is in next month. So you don't have that much of time. So whatever time you are having, you have to make best out of it. So practice as much MCQ as you can, because practice will clear your concept, it will clear your understanding, and it will be very easy to remember if you solve so many questions related to a topic. So solve so many questions, and you can also watch my previous DBT GRF series and the current series also. So if you like my efforts, you can hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for more such videos. So this is the first topic of today's video, in which I will discuss what are the different kind of inherited human diseases with defects in DNA repair. Yani the list of several diseases which arise due to the defect in DNA repair. As in our body, we already have a defense mechanism against any kind of defect committed during the DNA replication. But what if the DNA repair mechanism of our body fails? In so many different diseases, like individuals with xeroderma pigmentosum are extremely sensitive to sunlight. Now, its exposure to sunlight results in a high frequency of skin cancer. So this is also a defect due to which DNA repair mechanism. Now, the cells of individual with xeroderma pigmentosum are deficient in the repair of UV-induced damage to DNA, such as thymine dimer. यानी जो individuals होते हैं xeroderma pigmentosum जिसको होता है, they are deficient, they are not having the repair mechanism of UV-induced DNA डैमेज. यानी अगर थाइमीन का डाइमर बन गया है तो इसको रिमूव करने के लिए उनके पास में कोई डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म नहीं है. So the xeroderma pigmentosum affected individuals can result from defects in any of the at least 8 different genes. So you can see उनके XPA, XPAB, C, D, E, F and G. यानी out of this 8 different genes, they can have any defect related to the any of the 8 genes. So all these are required for the nucleotide excision repair. So what you can say, this xeroderma pigmentosum is a defect due to the defect in the NER, that is the nucleotide excision repair. Now other syndromes like Cockayne syndrome and trichothiodystrophy also result from the defect in nucleotide excision repair. So you have to remember all these things. So individual with Cockayne syndrome exhibit retarded growth and mental skills, but not increased rate of skin cancers. But the individuals with trichothiodystrophy have short stature, brittle hair and scaly skin. They also have underdeveloped mental abilities. So दो अलग, यानी कि NER से रिलेटेड, NER में अगर डिफेक्ट हो, अगर यही हमारा डिफेक्टिव है तो कौन कौन सा डिजीज हो सकता है? फर्स्ट वन इज xeroderma pigmentosum, सेकेंड वन इज कोकेन सिंड्रोम, थर्ड वन इज ट्राइकोथायोडिस्ट्रोफी. सो जो ट्राइकोथायोडिस्ट्रोफी, कोकेन सिंड्रोम, xeroderma pigmentosum, इनमें से कोई सा भी पूछ सकता है आपको. सो इंडिविजुअल विथ इधर कोकेन सिंड्रोम और trichothiodystrophy are defective in a type of excision repair that is coupled. However, the details are still to be worked out. So this is the phenotypic effect of the inherited disease xeroderma pigmentosum. Individual with the malignant disease develop extensive skin tumors after exposure to sunlight. यानी जैसे ही UV rays पड़ती हैं स्किन पे, स्किन में क्या देखने को मिलता है? स्किन ट्यूमर. You can see in this image, this child is affected from the xeroderma pigmentosum. So it may have lesions on the skin whenever she will go out in the UV rays. These are the related. So these are some of the disease which are caused due to defects in the DNA repair, like xeroderma pigmentosum, which is involved. So I have mentioned XPA A, B, C, D, E, F, G and also the V. So कौन से क्रोमोसोम में लोकेशन है इस जीन का? Suppose XPA is located in chromosome 9, XPB is located at second chromosome, XPC is located at third chromosome. Likewise, the location of the gene, exact location is also mentioned, and the function of the product. What is the function of this gene XPA? So it is involved in the DNA damage recognition protein. So it will recognize the protein responsible for सर्विलेंस ऑफ दी डीएनए डैमेज की. यहाँ पे हाँ डीएनए डैमेज हुआ है, हमें जाके देखना है. सो सबसे पहले तो डिटेक्शन ही मेन है. अगर रिकग्निशन नहीं हो पाएगा, डिटेक्शन नहीं हो पाएगा, तो रिपेयर मैकेनिज्म कैसे काम करेगा? So you can see XPB is responsible for 3' to 5' helicase activity. XPC is responsible for DNA damage recognition pattern, again like XPA, and XPD is same as XPB function, helicase activity. XPE का भी function होता है DNA damage recognition protein. Now XPF का protein function क्या होता है? Nuclease 3 prime incision, nuclease 5 prime incision XPG का. So remember कि कौन सा gene involve है, chromosome का location and the function of the product along with the major symptoms. आपको ये symptoms भी ध्यान में रखने होंगे, like xeroderma pigmentosum will result in UV sensitivity and skin cancers, neurological disorders. Likewise, trichothiodystrophy, in this the gene involves are TTDA, XPB, XPD. So उसका भी location यहाँ पे provided है, कौन से chromosome में रहते हैं, क्या function है. So they are also sensitive to UV, neurological disorder and mental retardation. Cocaine syndrome, so CSA and CSB genes are involved. With cocaine syndrome are also sensitive to UV, neurological and developmental disorder, premature aging. Because now इसके अलावा Lynch syndrome and ataxia telangiectasia, ATM. So serine threonine kinase product इसका बनता है, and it is also related to radiation sensitivity, chromosome instability, early onset progressive neurodegeneration, cancer prone, all these things. So Lynch syndrome में कौन कौन से प्रोडक्ट होते हैं? नॉन पॉलीपोसिस कोलोन कैंसर को ही नाम दिया है Lynch syndrome. So MSH2, MLH1, MSH6, PMS2 and PMS1. So all these have location on the second, third, second, 7 and second chromosome respectively. So they are involved in the DNA mismatch recognition protein like E. coli mutase, mutal. So this have also a high risk of family colon cancer. अगर colon cancer से related question आता है कि which DNA defect, और अगर question आता है which defect is related to the colon cancer, so it is the Lynch syndrome. एंड लिंच सिंड्रोम ही है जो कोलोन कैंसर से रिलेटेड सिंड्रोम इसमें आते हैं. नाउ इसके अलावा फैंकोनी एनीमिया. सो यू ऑल नो फैंकोनी एनीमिया इज रिलेटेड टू FA 8 जीन्स, A to H तक जीन है, ABCDEFGH तक on 5 different chromosome. So इसके अलावा भी इसमें भी क्या होता है? सेंसिटिविटी टू DNA क्रॉस लिंकिंग एजेंट, क्रोमोसोम इंस्टेबिलिटी, कैंसर प्रोन. ब्लूम सिंड्रोम, वर्नर सिंड्रोम. वर्नर सिंड्रोम क्या है? अगेन इसमें WRN जीन डिफेक्टिव हो जाता है, क्रोमोसोम इंस्टेबिलिटी के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. रोथमंड थॉमसन सिंड्रोम एंड निजमेगन ब्रेकेज सिंड्रोम, ये वाला भी पूछा जाता है. रिसेंटली एक CSIR के एग्जाम में ये देखने को मिला था क्वेश्चन. तो ये क्या होता है? DNA डबल स्ट्रैंडेड ब्रेक रिपेयर रिकग्निशन प्रोटीन, यानी DNA डबल स्ट्रैंडेड ब्रेक जब होता है, यानी दोनों ही स्ट्रैंड में फॉल्ट है, तो इस टाइप के DNA डिफेंस मैकेनिज्म जो है, अगर उसमें डिफेक्ट आता है तो इस टाइप के डिफेक्ट अराइज होते हैं. सो इस पूरे टेबल से बहुत सारे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन निकल के आए, यानी कि आपको कुछ भी इनमें से देखने को मिल सकता है, नॉट जस्ट इन DBT बट ऑल्सो इन CSIR में भी आपको देखने को क्वेश्चंस मिल सकते हैं. इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फ्रॉम विच क्वेश्चंस कैन बी आस्क्ड, दैट इज द कॉमन DNA बाइंडिंग मोटिव. सो यू कैन सी देयर आर डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ मोटिव रिलेटेड टू दी different function. So this helix turn helix, this is the first one. Second zinc finger, third steroid receptor, fourth leucine zipper, fifth is helix loop helix, and sixth is the homeodomain. So you can see helix turn helix are the bacterial regulatory proteins related motif in eukaryotic protein. So it has 2 alpha helices and its binding sites in DNA is the major groove. Now zinc finger is also a eukaryotic regulatory and other proteins. Location इसका, now it is a loop of amino acid with zinc at base. Zinc finger है तो obviously zinc होगा. Now its location is also a major groove. Apart from this, steroid receptor you all know, eukaryotic protein, 2 perpendicular alpha helices with zinc surrounded by 4 cysteine residues. So its location is major groove and DNA backbone. Leucine zipper, eukaryotic transcription factor. Now helix of leucine residues and a basic arm, 2 leucine residues interdigitate. इसका भी होता है 2 adjacent major grooves में binding का site. Helix loop, helix का क्या होता है? Eukaryotic protein, 2 alpha helices separated by a loop of amino acid. Its location is also a major groove. Now homeodomain is eukaryotic regulatory protein which has 3 alpha helices and its location is major groove. So I will also make a long format video for all of these things. to make a clear insight of what are these things and what are its function. So this is a quick for DBT revision purpose only. So do remember it, and you can also take the screenshot. So this is all for today. I hope you liked it. मैं ऐसे और भी वीडियोस लेके आऊंगी रेगुलर बेसिस पे, so do hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more such videos.